What's Robin's going to get home?
Not until way later.
Tell me what's the time.
Not until like 3 o'clock.
What? In the morning?
8 afternoon.
So this is noon?
Well, this is morning right now.
And Mom, you're always gonna try to like get all the Christmas presents done. I don't know why this is all here. Try to get all the Christmas presents, but you're not done with them, right?
Right. I gotta finish going through them all.
You know when big toys comes, you gotta figure out.
Mommy's done shopping at least. I just gotta wrap everything.
That's gonna take a long time. But Mom, but what if you can have Bubbles help?
Bubbles.
No, what if you can clean the rack where it blocked off the way to your room? You should clean that part of Momo to come in here and help you with presents.
Oh, Momo is. So maybe we're gonna probably see if you can go over to Mima's house for a while, and then we're gonna bring everything out here. I'm gonna kick you out of the house.
How?
And send you to Mima's.